National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northern St. Louis County in east central Missouri and St. Charles County in east central Missouri until 8:15 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Weldon Spring and moving east at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Damage has been reported just south of Weldon Spring to numerous trees. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. Damage has been reported just south of Weldon Spring to numerous trees. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Weldon Spring Heights, Lake St. Louis, Cottleville, Harvester, St. Charles, Bridgeton, St. Anne, Overland, Earth City, Hazelwood, Lambert Field, Woodson Terrace, Florissant, Kinloch, St. John, Belridge, Ferguson, Cool Valley, Normandy, Northwoods, University City and Tellsdale. This warning includes Babler Memorial State Park and First Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: St. Charles and St. Louis.